Hey guys, hello everyone. I tried to come out early if anyone's watching. Hello. Hello. Alright guys, I want more people to come in because we have a range of news in coming. Alright, allow it. Let's just get into it. We have GDP news right now coming in soon. I'm expecting it to be moderately higher than expected. I'm expecting it not to be around here, but let's see what price comes. Again, don't do anything on GJ right now. Wait for news to come out. We're looking into entries both ways, doesn't matter. Even if price comes down, we can have short-term sells come in before price starts to pick back up due to the fact that the yen is much weaker and they're deliberately trying to make it lower. So it really doesn't matter if the GDP is lower. It will just be a short-term pullback. So what we'll be looking for is price coming down to maybe if it's bad, we may be coming down to what I was expecting of 182 before starting to push further up. So what I will be expecting is something like this, and then we push back up. But we have to again wait and see what the data is and adapt based on that, right? Or if the data is much better than expected, we could have that quick buys above 184,500s, and we can scale it to 186 and further up. So let's see what the GBP news comes out, and yeah, let's see what price does. So later on the video, I'm going to be talking about as soon as this news drops, and then we see if we're gonna have any entries. I will be talking into about CPI and what to expect for today. I have full notes written down. Let me just show it to you guys. I have proper notes written down, and I'll be reading it out and giving you the expectation of what I'm looking for today. So let me give you a proper idea, right? Let me just show it. Here you go. 1 sec. We have 30 more seconds before we start anything. It doesn't really matter. It's calm, brothers. Wait. So my CPI outlook for today, I'm gonna give you a full breakdown on what this is, and then we'll talk about it, and hopefully you guys can understand and adapt and trade based on it, right? So hope everyone's ready. We're gonna have news in the next 15 seconds. Let's see what price does. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can catch anything. So just be ready. We can have nice entries on GJ2 and on USD for today. So let's see what price does. right, news came out. Let's see what it is. If it is really bad, I'm just gonna wait out for price to come out at the place I want it to be. Month over month, -5, and it was a 0.5. Oh, much worse than expected. Fair play. We made that have that small correction as I expected. It's fine. Let's see, a 0.5, yeah, much lower. Previous was a 0.5, -0.5. So what they're expecting is with what the interest rates have been doing, they've been expecting this to happen. So it's not really that bad. And the Bank of England has said they expect this to happen. And they also expect economic slowdown and lag effects to come into play, which it is currently doing. So this is not going to do much in terms of like price pushing up, but for now we can start to adapt in sells. I'll be looking into sells at 183,500 and then hopefully go to 183 or 182, and then before we start catching buys. Let me so I'm marking this for myself. Okay, and yeah, let me write it out for you guys to see what it is. Text sells below closure and retest and closure, break and retest. Alright, so the data came out as expected, so once I get the notification, we can come back to this. Oh, I'm just waiting out and seeing what price does. We may get that entry straight away, but let's see what happens. I don't like entering GGA on like just straight up news. It doesn't work like gold. Let me move my mouse for a second because it's lagging. Okay, now it's working properly. Okay, now let's go on gold. Okay, now let me read out what I have based on my notes, and hopefully you guys can get a better understanding on what everything is, right? Ready? Okay. So CPI outlook for today. According to Fed Powell, inflation is still remaining high, and the central bank aims to bring down to their 2% target. He mentioned that he's going to keep rates higher for a longer period of time if need be. Recent news and suggests a robust economic activity despite relatively high interest rates of 5.5%. Key economic activity improved. ISM services of a 54.5 and about a 1.8% increase, to 1.8 points increase between previous and at this time. Manufacturing is a 47.6 and NFP data showing still market growth. VIX is currently sitting at much lower than expected, around 14s. 14.24, 14.25, around these levels, below 18, showing low signs of market fear, low signs of fraud. The DXY is currently holding between 104 and 104,500 and 105, which is as expected, that since DXY is gaining some strength due to the fact that people are expecting and the institution are expecting an interest rate hike. So now what do we have? Now what to expect for the day? Now the USD outlook, inflation and interest rates. High inflation tend to drive up the interest rates, making USD more attractive for investors and seeking higher yields as it's more valuable and more expensive to borrow. Economic activity as indicated by NFP of 187,000 jobs added supports that the USD market and economy is healthy. Essentially, the United States economy is healthy. The DXY is currently holding between 104,500 and 105, showing relative strength of the USD. Given the Fed's commitment to controlling inflation and considering the long positions on USD pairs, don't go against currencies with lower which goes against currencies with lower interest rates. So look for buys. Okay, now just before we start again, GJ is at that area. Let's see what we can get. Hopefully we get that retest of 183. If we get something like this, that will be also not bad. This would be great, or just a break and retest of this structure. I'm waiting for the closure and then I'll get an entry. Let's see. I'm not gonna say, oh, I'm gonna enter now. So be careful. Just okay, this candle closed no bottom wick, and that's a 5-minute. So I'm just gonna wait out and see what price does next. I'm not gonna enter straight away. Okay, now let me continue reading of what I expect for the USD. Monitor Dixie for potential breaks out 105 as a sign of USD strength based on the data that comes out, or a retest of 104,500, and this can happen before news or as news drops. Yeah, GJ is still calm. Yeah, this is fine. I have nothing much. Let's see what GJ does. I'm waiting for this to happen. All right. Now, gold outlook. Gold is often seen as a hedge against inflation, but performance may be varied based on market sentiment. We're currently at a high interest rate market, which is expected, so VIX is low. It's not usually the same as every market, as always. So we could see gold go down, and yeah, GJ is still right now pushing up. We may see we may see gold drive down, and even though it's anti-hedge, it's a hedge against inflation, but this is due to the market conditions. Low VIX, low levels of VIX, showing low levels of fear. Economic activity, risk appetite. Strong economic activity may reduce as the need for safe havens assets like gold, potentially putting downward pressure on its price. The VIX is low. Why would price go up? Why would gold go up, right? People are not afraid to go against the dollar, put their money into riskier based assets. Now let's go based on the different scenarios, okay? So the different scenarios I have marked out are these. Let's go, okay. So meets expectations. Basically, we have the level of CPI being at 0.2. So 0.2 to 0.6 is what they're expecting. If in the expectations for scenario 1 is 0.6, core CPI is month over month is 0.2, and CPI year over is at 3.6. Basically, everything's as expected. If CPI meets expectation with a monthly increase of 0.6 and a higher year over year increase of 3.6, the Fed may maintain its current stance or increase rates as the increase is much higher than the previous data, showing that inflation could come back into play. Higher inflation could cause troubles for the economy and the US markets. Now, scenario 2, CPI surpasses expectation, meaning that it's higher than 0.6, and a month over month of higher than 0.2, and year over year of higher than 3.6. In this case, they may consider the following actions. Discuss the possibility of accelerating the tapering of assets purchased to reduce the monetary stimulus. They're not doing that currently. They're just tapering the tapering currently. So the only possible thing they have left is begin signaling more higher interest rates sooner than previously expected. So basically, the one that's coming on the 22 of September 21st or 22nd, next in a week. So what we can expect is them maybe even doing a 0.5 increase. We never know. Or scenario 3, CPI being lower than expectations and being lower than what the previous data is. So if CPI falls below the expectation and previous, we could see that they maintain just their current interest rate stance, holding their monetary policy, saying that we'll just continue keeping it as long as possible until the inflation reaches at the 2% target, 2-3% target, right? Now, and they delay any discussions of hiking interest rates. Now look at the charts. This is my data and what I'm expecting for today's data. Let's see what price does. Lower than expected is the green. Scenario 2 is higher than expected, straight north, just giving you clear-cut signs that price is going to come down due to the fact that next week they're going to increase rates and follow suit and going down to even 1850s. Why did it stop? Okay. And yellow is meet expectations. We could have a retest of 25 and then start coming down. This could happen again before news, so watch out and let's see what the market does. All right, does anyone have any questions? I think I went through a huge surge on data, and I don't think everyone is like into these things. Please, fuck off, man. I'm not Indian. Any trades taken? I just joined. Bro, I was just explaining what to expect for today, okay? And this is what I'm expecting for GJ. Since data just came out lower than expected, we can see price come down to 182, 182 500s, 182s before we start to see a pull back up. If not, we could go for buys. We'll have any buys above 104. I'm not looking into buys until we expect it. This drop was fully expected. This drop has been priced in basically. So we may have just a retest of these levels and these levels before we start to see any rejections, right? So watch out what the market does. Don't jump in any trades, okay? Did anyone understand my market update and my analysis? I hope you guys understood it because I went in a lot of data. Because these data, which I just explained, is quite challenging from some people if they don't understand it. Thank you, man. I hope you enjoyed it. I wrote this down before starting the stream because I usually just write it some small notes, but I was trying to make it as detailed as possible for most people and see what they think and they look out. All right. I'm gonna post my CPI analysis on Discord too, so you guys can read it and see it. Let me make it into a PDF so you guys can go read it out. Give me a minute. What's your Discord? I'm gonna post it on the DVS Discord channels. Give me a minute. Okay. Righty. Let me make it into something that you guys can read. There's still nothing going on, so just be chill. Don't worry. There's nothing. Okay, update. It's here. Let me now put it into. Okay, now I'm gonna just download this as a PDF and post it on this thing so you guys can read it. PDF. All right. Alrighty. I didn't have this week enough time. This isn't looking good, but just wait for the 15 to close and then we may get clear cut signs. We may see price come down, but just don't worry, it's fine. La 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 la, market trade ideas. CPI here. What? Why is this showing it as zip? Something's wrong. Give me a minute. Yeah, see, as expected, this is coming down. Why is it not a correct format? Let's do it again. Yeah, here, I'm gonna post this so you can see it. Yeah, I have even a screenshot of the same things. This is what I just read out. Hope you guys can like it and enjoy it. I hope these updates that I'm doing, at least some people learn from it. Bro, fuck off. I'm not Indian. Is it up in the Discord? I'm gonna just post it right now. Give me a second. London session. Here. Yeah, you guys can see this here. You guys can go to the London thing, London session, and you can download this. Or if you're in the Signal group, you can also have the same thing. Well, not this one here. Signal chat, and then you can see what's up. Give it a read. If you have any questions, you can ask me straight directly. And yeah. Oh, okay. Thanks, man. Okay, wait for price. Yeah, the 15-minute close. The good thing is it closed at a really strong level. The previous one is quite strong. Just wait out and see what we can do. Okay. We may have that entry sells below this area. I just don't like the fact that we're a bit in a position where it's quite choppy. As you can see, price is very choppy around this area. But this is expected on GJ, so we can still get our entries considering the fact that we could have this nice volume coming down to these levels. Oh. So what I'm looking for right now is something like this. Come down, sells below. Or straight sells coming down below this area. Let me make it cleaner. I want straight sells coming down from here. Either a retest from here or just a retest and entry from here. This is what I'm expecting. So nothing other than this. Nothing other than these two. Because price other than... If it doesn't do these, we may see it push up and then come down. But for now, we wait. We wait and see. Don't worry, we have a CPI this today on gold. Okay, let me mark. Yeah, we have CPI. I'm not doing anything in gold realistically before CPI. I don't usually take any trades during a London session when you have this high impact news like CPI. By the way, this was all, if you guys didn't know, this was fully priced in. The reasoning price came down this hard yesterday was mainly due to the fact that it was fully priced in. This was completely priced in. So it's completely normal for price to do stuff like this. Yeah, this was completely expected. We can just see how price has been moving up, down, and then we can see that we could still come down, but I'm not gonna take any trades realistically on USD pairs. Oh, GJ is still in that area right now. Okay, nice. Now we need a 1 minute candle closure below this area. The next candle comes and retests, and then we can get that entry down, which is making my higher consistent win rate but lesser profits compared to the trading area. What do you guys think? I've been extremely cautious with my trading. I used to trade daily. Now I trade hardly, take 2 to 3 times a week, considering it's based on what you make works for you, mate. So if that works for you, sure, but let me tell you something. You taking less entries and making less money, or this is mainly due to your confidence levels. It's not related to anything based on win rate. So if you're good in taking 2 to 3 times a week, you will be good at taking every single day. It really doesn't make a difference. It's just what your comfort level is with your psychology. That's the only thing that's different. Because you taking 2 to 3 times a week, making you money, right? Why can't it give you the same outlook when you take 5 or 6 trades a day, 5 to 6 trades a week, right? So it really doesn't matter. It's just based on your psychology. Price just straight away came down. I'm gonna wait for price below 104, 183, 400. Yeah, this is chalked. Nothing on USD for me for now. We may not have an entry, anything, or we may, but we can wait and see. Yeah, USD is going up. This is due to the reaction of pound, but it's okay. You can see pound went down and this did not. but it's fine because I'm waiting for high. Yeah, that's fair. That on the daily setups, you're a scalper. Your daily idea should make sense with your lower time frame. You have to realize this. It's not a matter of increasing the risk. It's a matter of, look, for example, my trade ideas on the daily, right? These make sense on no matter what time frame I'm looking at. My trade ideas are always in play based on everything. If I'm looking at the daily, it will be the same outlook straight away. It doesn't really matter, right? So you have to be cautious and you have to adjust your positions. You have to make sense based on of what you're doing. If it's not making you money on in terms of a lot, it's still fine. It's still freaking money, bro. You're making some decent money. By the way, guys, I'm jumping into sales at this area. Yeah, I'm jumping into sales at this area with a 15-20 pip SL. I will see into looking at closing at my positions if it closes above 183. Okay, if it closes below 183,400, I may add positions, but I just jumped in around here. This is mainly following the trade idea of GBP weakness for a short-term period. We may have price come down, but if price closes above, I'll just close it out at like 2-3 pips as loss, 2-3 pips as loss, and then wait for better price points below this area. Waiting and seeing. This is still fine for me. 5-minute close below, breaks below. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it's coming down. It's coming down. If this 5 minutes again rejects this or closes at this area or something, I may just close it out and wait for like at break even, and then wait for the same entry again once we break below and have a proper closure. Because this is just the news just came out. We may have some sort of reactions, and when the volume comes in, we may have better entries. For now, it's running. No, see, Saxi, it's based on your stops. Like my stops never bigger than like 10 pips, 20 pips, like right? 15, 20 pips. It's based on like the news. If there is some sort of news, I may have like a smaller stops or bigger stops, but other than that, I don't. I'm not scared of blowing it because I know what risk I'm taking based on the sample sizes that I have. So if I have, let's say, 200 trades on the same position, same trade idea, I'm not scared of it losing once or twice. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, I'm closing this out at break even and waiting for price to come below this area again. I just closed it out at break even. Okay, I'm basically this was I expected price to push down straight away. If not, I'll just get on the flip once this flips again, or wait for this 5-minute to close. If not, or just wait for the 30-minute to open. Okay. See what works for you. If 1 or 2 trades a week work for you, keep doing that. What's wrong with taking smaller profits? But it's consistent, isn't it? You're making decent money consistently. This candle closed below, which is fair. We may chug our way, and the 30-minute comes, does a retest here, and we can get the sales coming down. If not, we wait. I want out break even. Yeah, you're more consistent. Smaller profits, more consistency, which is better. What's better, losing more and then making more money, but at the same time, since you have more losses, the chances of you making more money is also cancelled out. You will be making probably less than this because you're less consistent. Have high win rate. Having a high win rate doesn't always also mean that you're good. You can have a 90% win rate, but your one loss could take out like 20 profits. It doesn't really mean much. But if it's high win rate backed with high profits and consistently, yeah, that's a different story. There's nice volume coming in. 5 minute just opened up, did the retest. I may jump on the flip, maybe. Let's see. Let's see how this candle closes, and I may jump on the flip. Yeah, exactly. With a 100K account, you can make with what? Even the same, you make 5%. It's free money. Oh, okay, that's fair. I jumped in on the flip on this because I canceled this out, and I'm just gonna keep this running and see what happens next. It's the same trade idea, I just didn't like the way it opened up. This candle close, yeah. Let's see what price does at reactions around here. Pa, 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 pa. Yeah, exactly. What's wrong with having decent profits continuously? Anyone has any questions on what to expect on USD pairs? Because what I went through is full outlook for today. Why is this GJ so slow? And there's no volume, as fair. This was the entry, by the way, guys. 12, 13 pips. Keeping it for low. If it closes above here before the 30-minute, I'll just close it out and wait for re-entries. I don't like when candles are too slow. Once this breaks, we may have some volume. If not, it will reject probably. Bum, 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 bum. Can you guys hear the music? Do you guys enjoy the market updates that I do, or do you want me to go more like just technicals and all? Because I know most people in the chat in like Don's group don't do fundamentals. I'm like one of the very few people that does it. Yeah, I close out at break even. I close this out at break even. I'm gonna wait for better price points. Go full Indian, bro. I'm not Indian. I'm from somewhere here. Let me show you. Let me see. It doesn't open my location. Can you keep your trade box in the chart, please? Trade box. Ah, you mean this? I mean, it's running shit now. Guys, I live here. Guys, this is where I live. One of these places. It's one of these countries. I don't know. Maybe here. Maybe here. Maybe here. You never know. I'm just saying. It's one of these countries. I took this a break even. It really didn't do much. Yeah, India, we see it. Ah, fuck off. No, I got out at break even. I went in and I got out at break even. This was my entry. I had an entry year two. So I got these in, but I closed this one. I got one and then I got here. I went out at break even. I'm waiting for better price once 30-minute opened up, closed below. This is nice. This could come down straight more. I just need to see that confirmation. If price breaks below this, we can come down further, right? Bro, I'm not Indian. I'm gonna fucking slap you. Man says I'm Indian blood. Is it just me or his stream choppy? All other streams are streaming fine except what? No, the stream is fine. Yeah, I'm looking at it myself. Oh, fuck off, GJ. Mate, go on settings and put it on 1080. I don't know. I'm working fine. Mine's working proper in it. Yeah. Man's from Scotland. From Glasgow. Let's go to the pubs. Yeah, the Indian immigrant who moved to London. Yeah, fuck him. Oh shit, I wish I would have had, I wish I was him, mate. I would have had free signals all day, every day. Easy thing. Free signals, blood. Go doing them things in that. If we see if price comes 1908 below, I might actually think of selling. Seriously. Look at this bastard. My guy is for new promise almost a billionaire. What? Fuck off. Man has 370 million pounds, a net worth of 844 million. You think I don't want to be? Fuck it, I'll be Indian. I don't give a shit. I'm not Indian, but I wish. Look at this. My guy makes bank. Yeah. Look at his tweet face. Ruined the whole economy. Bro, I'm not from Pakistan. I am not from any of those countries. How TV how is it so laggy? I'm looking at my own screen. Literally, I'm looking at it. Put it on 1080. It's perfectly fine. Look, I'm doing this. It's not laggy. Exactly. I'm streaming on 35,000 bitrate. Do the Indian accent. He's not that. Fuck off. Thing is, I'm in Dubai as well. I'm not in Dubai, mate, right now. Currently outside of Dubai, but yeah, I'll be there in 2 months. Bro, I think your Wi-Fi. Restart the stream. Press Control R, and then go to this and increase the quality. Cause look, let me just look. Cause it's working perfectly fine for me, mate. Look here. Press this 1080. Look at this. I'm looking at my screen, mate. How am I lagging? It's literally impossible. This is just continuing to go down. Almost hit my gold buy level. Buys? Huh. Yeah, Guys, have the read the thing which I sent this out. Yeah, ask any questions you guys want, right? Look, guys, just download this. You can see what I'm looking for today. It's quite good if you have a better understanding on like what the fundamentals are before the fundamentals happen. Read this through. It's just like, I mean, it's not even long. Yeah, and this is my trade ideas with the price points. Martin, how are you lagging? Bro, I swear to God, I'm looking at my thing. I'm looking at my own screen, mate. You put it on 1080. You're not on 1080 for sure. I'm 100% sure. I'm 100% sure, mate. Bastard. Look at it. Anyways, yeah, read this. See what's up. See what you're looking for. Ya Batman. Ya Batman Martin. Look at that GJ thing, innit? We're looking at price to nothing. Until then, do you guys have any questions? Guys, do some reading like this. Look. So these are my fundamental notes, right? For each one, I have something written. Oh, what's Jackson Hole Symposium? All right, effects. What's Joel's job opening? What's ISM? What's ADP? What's macroeconomics? And what are the three major concerns? Blah, blah, blah. Understanding macroeconomics. Blah. Just continue. This is like 50 something pages. Do these things and you can ensure some money liquidity. This understanding liquidity is very important. This is on it. I wrote this from Investopedia, and this is my own the two major accounting for like market liquidity and accounting liquidity. Each one is something. Read some, write about each one of them. Each one has something, you know. When you understand these things, you will understand how the economy works. Are you still, bro? I told you I'm in break even. I even corrected my thing on top. It says 8 wins and 2 break evens. I went out. Drop a like if you think. Aww. Thank you, Martin. Oh my god, I'm blushing. I'm blushing for your baby. Guys, don't forget to go to the gyms. Don't be a fat fuck like me. I'm not fat. I've just been so lazy. I want to go. I was gonna go this week, but uni is, yeah, shagging me. No home. It's alright. Did you guys see the new iPhone? Did you guys see the new iPhone? Bro, they did this. They went iPhone 14. They're like titanium. Alright, now pay $1,000 for it. Thank you. They ask $1,000 for the iPhone 14 now. And a new one, just same thing. What the hell? Thank you. Okay, I get it. Aluminium. Oh no, I've never played games on my phone. I really don't care. I don't even take pictures. I don't care. Thank you. So many amazing. No one's gonna use this. People are gonna take Instagram pictures. You think they give a shit about this? Pro Zoom. Thank you, Pro Zoom, bro. Oh no, Gigabyte. Oh my god, 20 times. They finally did Type C. This is the only thing that pisses me off that my phone doesn't have. I did yoga at 6:30 a.m. Oh, come on, yoga is dope. Oh shit, man was swimming in them things. Come on. 10. It was a 10 to 1. It was a 10 to 1 ratio, TB. Come on. That's world class levels. Oh. You guys want to hear a secret? This is the phone I want. This is what I want, bro. Do you see how classical this is? Oh my god. Look at that. It got a camera, man. Oh my god. Look at that charger. 17 years battery life. Rain. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen that movie too. Look at that. Look at that. Bro, look at that. That phone looks too OP. Yeah, gang shit. How's been this week for you guys? This is good. This is actually good. The fact that it rejected the way it did, it's nice. This candle closes below. We may actually have entries again. Ah, TB, you got done on me. You can't. You can't do those things with people that you're not supposed to. Doesn't work like that. Your whole ratio was wrong. Come on. What phone you using now? I'm using the 14. I'm using the 14 Pro Max. Bro, it's the same phone. I swear. I was thinking, and I'm like, okay, maybe I might change. It's the same thing. It's exact. I don't ever use my cameras. Like, I barely ever do anything. The front camera only when I call like people. That's it. Do you really think I'm gonna care about 2 times periscopic lose? Man. Okay. Oh, I have my coffee. Yay. Bro, it's zero innovation, like absolutely no innovation, nothing. Like look at this, man. This one is basically the 14. This is the 14, 13, and a 12 with a new chip. I'll be honest. This and the 7. This and the 8. I'm still on the 5, and it's the exact same thing. Exactly. Only difference the action, bro. The action button. I don't care. What am I gonna action with? Oh, open the camera, bro. It's just the tap on the screen. It's on the right. Like it takes 2 seconds. Yeah. Oh, bro. This is the only thing that was new. Carbon neutral, bitch. This is what the engines I want. I want a 5.7 liter. No, sorry. 7.5 liter V8 diesel. This is the engines I want because I stupid. I hate people when they talk about yeah, this is what I want in every car. The more fumes it has, the more carbon it has, the better. When they say, oh, we need to take care of the planet, bitch, shut up. These people think they're gonna help like the planet by making a phone less. Follow me, guys. And absolutely nothing. 15-minute closed shit. Ah, bro. I can't take people. They're dumb. They introduce USPC. Yeah, I know, right, bro? Look, what's this? One plus two. Where is it? It had. Where is this? This is 2015, right? Ah, yeah, Type C. This is what Apple is using, by the way. From 2015, they produced it. Yeah. And how much was this phone? What was the price? Where's the price? 7.5. Holy shit. This guy's still using it after 7.5 years. Big man. Where's the price? Am I blind? Oh, it's 300 euros. Apple, on the other hand, let's see. Where's the new iPhone? Yeah, let's see. Oh my god, $1,000 for a no, $1,000. I mean, look, the Apple quality and all nice, lovely, beautiful, cool. $1,000 for a Type C. This is not even Thunderbolt. Come on, you gotta give us something. 1K, yeah. Bro, listen, if I had some, listen, I don't want to get into it on YouTube because I might get banned. About Indian stuff, I make fun of Indians every day. One of my good friends is Indian, so I make fun of him like 5 times a day. Oh shit. Sorry, bro. Hey, I'm not making like, in bad terms. I just like, let me send you some videos. Message me on Discord. I'm gonna send you the videos. It's too funny. Send it. Send me, message me. Best Indian trade. The fuck off. What are you doing? Right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm watching the markets. There's absolutely nothing to do. Zaki, message me on Instagram. Message me on Discord. Yeah, bro, every Indian is racist. I have to say this, I'm sorry, but you're always racist, like really racist. It's insane how racist. They stare every single time I go somewhere. My man, them stare at me like, what? What's your disc? Here, brother. Oh, I have to add it. I forgot to keep adding it. Here. Oh shit, I need to add this. Go on this. I'm gonna link it, and then I'm 5M there. Yeah, the Indian people are like nice and all and everything, but fucking hell, man, they're racist. Snowflakes take anything as racism. Nah, not really. When they stare you down and they say racist shit, I think it's racism, like actual racism, but other than that. Oh, I'm a snowflake. Me, snowflake. Are you mad? I say the maddest things. I say the maddest, most outrageous things. You think I care? Bro, guys, the earth is flat. Like, the earth is actually flat. Like, seriously. Like, let's go on Yandex. Okay. This is my favorite thing, right? Flat earth. Oof. See? 10 undeniable facts the earth is flat. The horizon appears flat 360 degrees. Okay, facts. Earth level sea level. Come on. The horizon always rises to meet your eye level no matter the altitude. Absolute facts. Again. The natural physics of the water maintain its level. Facts again. If the Earth is ball of 25,000 miles in circumference, as NASA modern astronomers claim, dictates. I mean, this one I actually did calculations. It didn't make sense. I can't find you. Oh, bro, go to London stream me. I'm there. Go to London session thing and you can see me. I mean, I saw this and I actually did the calculations and that it worked out. The sun is much closer. Exactly. Have you seen the sun? Yeah. You think that's 93 million miles away? My ass. Look at that flat horizon, blood. No, it's a donut. See, donut shape Earth. This is the Earth, man. If you're denying it, I'm sorry, you're just dumb. This is actually how the Earth is. Yeah, I'm dumb. Hey, Nav, listen. You wanna fight? Do you wanna fight now? No, I don't think it's a box because the boxes there will be edges. It's a donut. It makes more sense. I think you're cap. Come on, man. What do you think? I'm saying the Earth is a. Could you use a search up Super Saiyan 100? No, it's 9,000, bro. Nah, man. I never watched anime. I watched probably one anime in my life when I was a kid, and that's it. I've never watched anything. iPhone one. No, I used to not say. I used to claim I have iPhone 100 because my uncle had it. That's my. Yeah, I learned it from Indian people. You watch Anta? Yeah, man. Favorite thing. Exactly. A boxing ring is not round because then it would be proving the Earth is a circle, mate. That's why. I have the. Then there were one more concerned. Oh, guys, do you guys watch boxing or do boxing or anything like that? I know Nav's a stick. He doesn't do anything. No. Nav, there will be a corner. Like the Earth apparently has corners, right? Oh my God, the edge of the Earth. I'm a pro boxer, bro. Oh, you actually are, Jonathan. For real. Send up some videos. For real. I wanna like do proper boxing. One of my friends is proper good. WWE is real, of course. HGH, no, I'm not. I already went out break even. I entered sales here. This was my entry. This was the entry. I took it out break even. This was the trade I had. I mean, it would have been up 9 pips currently, maybe. But I went break even. It went back up again. I didn't like it. Midget boxing, is that a thing? It's coming down anyways right now. I'm waiting for the hourly to close. This 30 minutes was good, but the way this 15 closed, I didn't like it. Like the 15 opened, sorry, the 15, if the 15 opened up a bit further up and then flipped, I would have entered it again. Still didn't like the way it opened. Yeah. By the way, guys, I did a calculation on how many pips we had on these 8 wins. Let me write it down. Like somewhere around the 100, 250, 300 pips or something like that. It's mental. Pardo, I'm using your thing, mate. I was like somewhere around 200 something pips. Make me a proper one, Farzo, like one that's actually like funny and nice. I'll sacrifice my life for bro. That video was funny. That video was so funny. That was actually proper funny. No, he's talking about this. He's talking about this one. What the hell? Let me mute this. Here.
Pilot.
Yeah, he
Who helped Pakistan making the nuclear power.
Inshallah, we have a bright future. We have here students who
Bro, everyone in this video is tough.
India.
strong arm who need for like Pakistan great.
I'm proud to be a Pakistani educational
What the hell is
institution
that?
is
Oh,
possible.
it's too funny. Yeah, make me a thumbnail, yeah. Inshallah grapes. Yes. Is the world we live in rent free? No, Nap, I'm gonna send you a video, it's even better. Nap, I'm seriously gonna send you a video, it's too funny. Actually, it's one of the funniest fucking videos I've ever seen. Like, seriously? It's mad. Wait. Nav. Oh, bro, it's too funny. Go on Discord. Nav, go on Discord. Go on Discord. I sent it to you directly. Have you seen speed reaction doing on India? No, I'm not gonna do it. That guys, what are you waiting for? We're waiting for price to pull back on GJ for a better price point. We attempted sells here. We got sells here. But I went break even because I did not like the way it is, so I hit break even and I like closed it out at break even, like 0-0. And then I tried to sell it again here, but it's not looking good, so I'm just waiting out for what price does. And Mutasam, go on Discord. Go on Discord. Wait, let me show you. Go on Discord. What the freaking hell? Go on Discord. Where is this London session? Here. Look. See this? Read this. This is my thing I wrote on what to expect for today. If you don't know what you're on, if you don't know anything. For CPI today. We have CPI news. This is that what I wrote is for this. Bro's keywords are stuck in his mouth, yeah. Now you watching the video? Farzo, go actually. No. Now it's blum. Too good. I think if I show the video, I will. Now, what? That's my like national language. Whenever I wake up, I have to listen to that. I was like, blum. Farzo, I'm gonna send it to you. Wait, where are you? Can't find you. Message on Discord so I can see it. Just show it, bro. It's wait. This, but just you have to watch the thing. You have to hear it. You have to. Which Indian dialect is that, bro? I don't even know. I don't even know if that's a real language, and I'm not Indian. Stop saying I'm Indian, you fucking bastards. Ah, fuck off. Stupid people, I swear. This just started coming down as straight away. Damn, my first trade would have been good. This was the entry. Wow, how many pips would it have been right now? Oh, okay, 18 pips, not much, but yeah. Nav, I'm yeah. Oh, fuck off, Nav. I swear to God, I'm not Indian. Hindu. No, I'm not Hindu, bro. I'm not Indian. Jesus. One destroyed you, MM. Ah, bro. Fuck off, bastards. I hate all of you. I'm from one of the nations you don't know. What are you? I am a Martian. This is me. This is me. Look, look, that's me. Look, he's a G. Look at that brain. The brain is massive. That's me. Sometimes this is me. Inside the spirit is this. But usually I'm this. You look at the brain, the power. Yeah, that's me. No, you're not. You're Martin. I'm the Martian.
Sure, I understand.
Why is Siri switching on? Fuck off, Siri. Black Indian. How am I black? That's not AG. MM is black Indian. Alright, cool. Okay, what? We where you will sell on gold. Bro, there's nothing to do gold. We have CPI today. Wait. Look, CPI 8:30. Wait for 8:30 in the morning tomorrow New York session, bro. 100 what's okay, calm down. I have a lot of Indian friends, but I'm not Indian. You guys want me to be Indian, don't you? You guys want me. Bro used the whole grammar in one sentence. Ah, you people, you people. That Nav, the thing is, you're actually Indian, right? Nav, you're actually Indian, right? Nav, ask him. I'm not Indian. Calm down. Jesus. GJ just stopped at the area I wanted. I would have gone. Bug it. This was the trade. Like 12, 13 pips. And right now it's still running 23 pips. We love Indians. Yes, of course. This is my favorite place in the world. Russia, Moscow. I want to go here. Yeah, I want to go here. Look, this place sick, man. This is a gangster, the most gangster man alive. I'm Oceanian. Okay. I'm from the ocean. You know, Oceania is a continent, right? I live under the water. I'm from Atlantis, mate. By the way, guys, if you actually want to search like real stuff without it getting filtered out like Google, search it on this. Search like, I don't know, I'm under the water. Real stories about Hitler or someone, I don't know. You can see greatest story never told, whatever, amazing atrocities. This stuff is never there on Google or Federal Reserve. This is Yandex. It's unfiltered. Yeah, it's not. It's filtered much less. The truth about Federal Reserve tells you the Taiwanese sucks. Yeah, this is actual real thing. Like realistically, I would say 90% real. Like it's no more just like thoughts. This is a serious thing. Read this stuff. These are real stuff. Yeah, the Century of Enslavement. This is one of the best books you can read, by the way. Let me find the book. is okay. Yeah, it's called History of Central Banking, if I'm right. Yeah, history of central banking and the enslavement of people. If you guys want to read something that's really good, here's this. History of central banking and the enslavement. Yes, this one. I think it's in the archive. Yeah, I have to download it, but yeah. This book is amazing. Like, actually goes through everything what the Federal Reserve does. The central banking in the United States, the banking in North Dakota, and everything, like all of it. King Charles. And if you want to go full deep into like, not conspiracy, I would say, or basically like actual stuff, Orsini family. I'm gonna get banned for this shit. Search the Orsini family. This is the Orsini family is now they're no named as Rothschilds. Rothschilds. Rothschild, the Illuminati bloodline, the Orsini family of Rome, and then that they're right now named as I think you can actually go on their thing and you can see it. What's the prediction? My love, I already explained it 77 times, mate. I'm gonna show you again too. Here, blood. Here, read this. I posted this on Discord. And this is the scenarios I have. There are 3 scenarios. Scenario 1 is meets expectations, meaning it's at 0.6 and it's a 0.2 and it's at 3.6, right? Scenario 2 is 0.6 and higher, or higher than 0.2 and higher than or at 3.6. And scenario 3 is below expectations at 0.3, 0.2 or 3.4. And this is the charts. So if it's at scenario 1, I'm expecting price to either go to 25 or retest of 2015 and 1915 and come down. If it's scenario 2, straight melt, and then because it's gonna be like, oh, we're gonna come down anyways. What? I have no idea. What the hell? We need astrology report, mate. Bro, I don't believe in that shit. If you talk to me about astrology, I'm gonna slap you. And then scenario 3, where it's lower than previous, price is gonna have a short-term pullback to 1950s, 1960s before coming down again. That's what I'm looking for. This guy just wants to buy and sell prediction. The buy and sell prediction. Okay, my friend. Buy here and sell here at the same time. Perfecto. Do this. You will never lose. Do this, you will never lose, ever. There's a gangster entries. Gonna clear your whole system, innit? Bro, listen, watch that video was too funny, bro. That apparently oh yeah. Apparently that video is like something called no idea, I can't say it. Stop asking me by yourself. Oh, bug. GJ, do something, please. Please, something, do something, please. I'm dying. I just want to sell something, buy something. Oh my god. I'm tired. Anyways, but just so you know, price is not, I'm not expecting to take any trades here or here. There's no reason to sell. Only sell entries is below 1908, sell retest down to 1902 or 1905 will be my break-even points, or where I will look into closing up positions, and then 1903 and 1902. This is where I'm looking for to take my entries. I will not have any entries before CPI if I don't get the clear-cut signs of price pushing down, like actually clear-cut signs. And for buys, nothing till 20s. I'm looking into any buys until 1920, or I may look into actually just short-term buys. It will be a short-term pullback buys above 19. Oh, let me change that. Above 1915, like a retest, and then push. Other than this, nothing. Because look at the price, how price reacted around these levels. So sells below 1908 down to the 1902s. That's about it. Nothing else. I'm not looking into taking any other entries. I'm not looking into any other positions because it doesn't make sense to do a gambling trade. Why would I enter a position which has a lower expectations? Today is expected to be ranging for a long time, and we are actually looking at it. Price is just slowly moving up and down in the same position. You can see how price has reacted here. You can see how price reacted here. If prices are if price wants to move into a direction, this is what it's going to do. Right now, it's just reacting and doing up and down, up and down. It's pointless to do any entries right now. So just be careful on the entries. It doesn't make sense to have any entries right now. All right. Do you think tomorrow's news will be full effect? Yes, tomorrow's news. I'm gonna write also a report on tomorrow's news, mate. I'll try to get something on core PPI, but CPI will give us an understanding of what core PPI is also, how is it going to be, because core PPI is also what Powell and these news are gonna be setting up for what to expect for the months to come, by the way. Because we have next week FOMC, we have on Thursday FOMC, and the week after we just have consumer confidence, and this data will be like fully known what to expect, you know, and monetary statement on this is just going to be as we expect. It's this. This is simple terms. This is simple. This is simple. This is simple. Tomorrow writing tomorrow's news today. No, I'm gonna write it after CPI. After CPI comes out, I will do my expectations of what do I expect for this. Plus, you can write expectations of what price is beforehand, right? So it doesn't really mean much. It doesn't matter. Yeah, you see. Guys, give me a second, please. I'll be back. If the earth is flat, how come the chart's still going up and down? Oh, if the earth is flat, this makes complete sense. The earth is flat. It's moving based on up and down. This is an absolute fact. If you can't understand how price moves, I can't help you. Look at our massive rejection. I wanted GJ to come and reject these levels, but it looks like we're gonna reject here. I will look into buys above 183,800. Let me mark it. What the heck? Alright, break and yeah, this is what I'm looking for, okay? You're drinking that chai. No, I'm drinking coffee, mate. I'm on the second one. I think I'm starting to see things from the amount of caffeine I have had. Give me a minute, I'll be back. Alright, lads, Papa is back. Pops is back, mate. Pops is back. Shake that booty. Yeah, yeah. We shaking it. We shaking it. Shake it, shake, shake it. Oh, you're from Hungary, blood. What do you do in Hungary? I want to know. There's nothing there. I'm sorry, but there's nothing there. Dun 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 dun. Pops, go sleep. Nah, man. Don't sleep. We're on so much caffeine that we looking into new heart attacks and all, right? Guys, I'm drinking this espresso 57. 2 grams has 100 to 120 milligrams of coffee. I put spoons. I don't think it's in grams anymore. It's in kilos, bro. I'm drinking way too much. Yeah. Europe everywhere is nice. Like cathedrals and all. Europe is sexy. Europe cathedrals, beautiful. Europe architecture in the past, just amazing. This is the best country in Europe. This is the best country in Europe. Look at it. Come on, look at them sheep. Look at them cows, bro. Gangster. The cow is healthier than you and us. Like, look at them. I want to go to this place. Here. Start. I want to go here. I want to live here. But have you seen the prices? Look at this. Houses for sale. Look at that pricing. It's so beautifully cheap. What the hell is James Edition? Yeah. Why is it showing in Malaysian currency, mate? I want to change it. Real estate, 21 million. Amazing. Look at that pricing. It's a house, 5 rooms, 18 million. This is where the billionaires are. Seriously, this place is mental. Like, look at this. Where is this? In Stadt, Canton Bern. 1,000 meters, 7 bathrooms. They don't even have a price. 3 million. It's not bad. 2 million. Look at this thing, though. This is sick. Meanwhile, all the countries are doing something called brutalism. Brutalistic architecture. This is what new countries are trying to do. I don't understand. Why is this nice? Why do people like it? Like, why is this something that's every country trying to do? It beats me. Oh, GJ's sell levels hit. So if price on the next 5-minute closes bearish below this area or with a rejection, I might have the same entries again, or I might just enter on the flip. Let's see what price does. I'm waiting. That's why I said I need a confirmation. I need confirmation, because this type of wait, let me mark it out here. When price does stuff like this, come down and then does this, the next candle comes and the next candle just does like a double top, like here, like something like this, exactly with a perfect double top. Entries at this zone, you can extend that sell level for a long time. It's just a normal market movement, so it's completely fine. What the hell? In terms of like overall market structure, this is just going to be like a full break and retest, or whatever you guys want to call it. Come down, perfect, come down, retest these levels, and then come down again. This is very possible. I like these type of entries, but for these type of entries, they have really high win rate, but you need to be very patient with them. If you're not, you're gonna lose out. Sells now. Why? Guys, sub and like the channel. Come on. I want to make proper videos, but I'm not gonna spend 3 days, 4 days a week to make a video for 100 views. It's really hard to make proper views. proper videos, and then I get 25 views for it. Like, piss off. Can't be asked. Answer your question. What did you ask? Who's your celebrity crush aside from Channing Tatum? Alright. Oh yeah, exactly. 24 views. What's this? Stupid. My celebrity crush is, let me see, what's this guy's name? Yeah, this guy. Where is it? This guy is my celebrity crush. This. He's so beautiful. Look at him. Oh my god, he's so much green. Martin who? His name is Yeet. Bro, oh, let me send you, let me let me send this to the group. I think I sent it in the oh yeah, some of you are not there. Martin, you're on the RR channel, or no, are you? I don't know. Wait. Listen. I sound like an owl. Fucking hell. Yeah. I sound straight up gangster. Yo. Let me show you what I mean, cause bro, this I want to cheat.
But please, I'm asking, like, I'm not seeing any marketing, maybe like marketing plan. And I'm not seeing any debt accepting the marketing proposal, right? So I'm just asking it, like, maybe it is now for a good entry, but I want to buy it. I want to buy it now. I want to see a 2x, right? And then I want to cheat. I want to cheat it. Because I'm just needing a 2x for my rupee. I'm not needing, like, trying to get to 4 billion, right? I just need to get the 2x so that I can cheat it.
Bro, this video gets me every time. You want to cheat? I want to cheat. CC, what's CC? So guys, this is actually looking proper nice, like seriously nice. I might jump in sales now or wait. Yeah, because this is really looking perfectly beautiful. Waiting for sales below this area, then now will just give us perfect confirmation of price coming down. It's just a perfect double top on this level. Yeah, as long as we don't close above, we're gonna come down. That's the only thing that's like gonna keep us away from entering sales. If even if price closes below this area, we're gonna get that entry like here, SL around this area for 10-15 pips, and yeah, you can keep it for as long as you want. This is very beautiful. Just wait for the entry. The 5 minutes about to close, so you may get that entry you want. I want to cheat. I want to cheat, bro. Do you want to cheat? I can't say it even properly. I want to cheat. Yeah, wait for price to close below. Once we have a 5-minute closure below, it's just perfect. Like, look at it will be perfect, like actually perfect. I can't help it. Buy or sell, boy. And sell at the same time, brother. I'm gonna go proper risk on this, like a proper 1 million lot. Yeah, this is nice. This is really looking beautiful. I just needed to close below. Once this candle, oh, fuck off. Still fine with me. Full margin. I want to cheat. It's looking really good. Yeah, price just tapped 183. Oh, amazing. Awesome. We need to see how price reacts at this level, and then we can do decisions on what to do next. Yeah, no bottom wick on the... It really doesn't matter, because look at the 30-minute. This 30-minute just has a double-ended candle. I don't want to say what. And then it's... And this price rejected at this level multiple times. Perfect double top. And on the 5, and then just price is just reacting at this level. It's completely fine. Look, price came down, retest came down, retest came down. Now we're at this level, we came down, retesting, coming down. This is awesome. Just we need price to come below this area, and then we can make proper decisions. Yep. EFI markets offer user-friendly diverse assets, great for trade. What the fuck are you saying, mate? Man's coming here and talking about EFI and that. Stop scamming people, man. Go get a proper job. Instead of scamming people for trading, you start making money from trading. Yeah. If this candle, if the 30-minute closes above, the whole idea is chalked, okay? Yeah. Gonna wait for the 30 and see what happens, okay? Wait for the 30 now. Goodbye. Yeah. Wait for the 30 to close, and then we can decide. Nice, nice, nice. It's still fine with me. This is the fact that it just closed like this is perfect for me. I'm still fine with this. I needed that breaks below this area, you know? This is just horrible. Let's see what we can get, man. We can get that buys blood. We can get the entries. We get the entries, mate. This is still Gucci blood. Wait for the price to show you where the ends is gonna go, innit? Yeah, this is calm. We price rejecting these zones. Perfecto. We're looking at price coming down. We're looking at a cowboy buys, sells, my guy, and then we'll poof. We get themselves, pew, come down more. You get me? We don't joke around, blood. From New York. Where you man's at? You guys got any questions for me, mate? I'm bored because everyone's not saying anything, innit? Nah, it's hard to understand with a thick Indian accent. Yeah, sure. Sure thing, buddy. Sure. You know, I have a killer Indian accent. That's a problem. And I'm not gonna do it because you guys pissing me off. Yeah, 30-minute closed above. I'm just not gonna take anything anymore. Done. Probably get that maybe here, maybe not. I'm not sure. Nah, what's Mudia, bro? I don't understand what the fuck is Mudia. Yeah, you took the cells. Why? I said wait. 18260. What? You took buys. What? How can your S be lower than your entry? Oh, you mean 183, okay. With DMs, bro. Alright. Tuberculosis. Man violating you. Man just got violated for being a name TB. I mean TB. TB. Uh, you man violating man. I'm waiting for sales below this. Like, this is what I want now. Because I saw this 5-minute no bottom wick. I was like, little bit skeptical. So I'm just gonna wait and then see what price does. This is what I'm looking for. Yeah, it's alright. Sa la 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 la. Guys, like, wow, no likes. I see others. No likes. I see you. I see you. I see you, man. I see you guys. Alright, alright, alright. I'm telling you, I see you. I see you support other people, not me. I see that. I see that. I see how it is. No. I see how it is. I'm out here busting my ass making these videos for you lot, and then no support. Alright. Making these market updates. All of that. All of this. And some of them watch me. Yeah, you people joking, fam. You man's a joke. This is the only stream where you can take trades and at the same time laugh. Like, literally, there's no other stream that would do stuff like this for you. What's Jai Ho? Jai Ho? I have no idea, bro. I'm telling you, father, mandems are jokers. Clowns.
Watch out, hella.
All you men are jokers, blood.
Phoenix hypnotizes people.
You will get organic growth. I am organic. But I hate organisms. I only beef sticks. I'm joking. I want that meat growth. Guys, let's now leave charts because there's nothing to do. This is still looking good. The fact that we are rejecting off of this area again is fine. So we're looking for buys and sells at the same time. That's completely fine with me. The only problem we have is now the 30-minute closed above. But the thing is, it's still closed below. You know, it's fine. Where are you from? I'm from everywhere, mate. I'm not from India. You bastards. I'm not from India. I have a... Oh, bro, you know... I can't take you guys. Is the reason that I believe you are the reason I believe. I have no idea what that song, bro. Send me your passport. Alright, cool. That's my passport. This is my passport. If I actually can get this, that would be sick. Yo, I'm the Slumdog Millionaire. I'm the guy. I am the guy. Man's half Indian. Bro, I swear I'm not half, not a percentage, not a... Nothing. I'm not even close. I'm joining your live stream every day. Come on, bro. South Africa. Oi, come on, lad. I'll be trading today with one of my friends on his house, and he's from South Africa. Motherland, South Africa, brother. I want to go Kayami racetrack. What's it called? Kaliami? Fucking, I don't know. Oh, Kailami racetrack. Yeah, here. I want to go here, bro. It's so sick. It's actually sick. What the hell? I want to go. I want to. This track is one of my favorite tracks in Formula One, but it's not there. They stopped. Do you say? Do you say? You're African Indian. Have you ever seen one for real? African Indian. Oh, I actually know someone who's African Indian. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me show you someone else. Let me show you another banging video. Sound. I sent this, but let me show.
Honestly, man, fucking imagine it. Imagine selling now. Honestly, man, fucking imagine it. Looking at your fucking kids in the eyes and being like, you know what? I'm real sorry, my youths. Daddy fucking when I got a sex change. You know what I mean? No more big dick. Daddy got a fat pussy now, cause you're a fucking weakling. Fuck that, man. I can't look my children in the eyes knowing that daddy fucking sold on dumps. On fucking dumps, man. You fucking idiots. Who the fuck is selling? I don't know anyone selling. My team ain't selling. I know bank hunters ain't fucking selling. Gem hunters ain't selling. So who the fuck is selling? Michael Saylor buying. Grayscale buying. Elon Musk on the Tesla cash flow fund is buying. So who the fuck is selling? I tell you who's selling. Little weekend pussies that didn't even fucking want to be in this game anyway. Didn't understand it. I'm in it for the deck. Fuck off, mate. You ain't in it for the shit.
Nah, bro, these two soundtracks is too funny. My big man, my youths. Yeah. We're selling pussy. Oh, we're selling now. You're big. That I can't look at my kids in the eye and say, "Daddy sold." Now, daddy's a weakling. Nah, that's funny. I mean, okay. Send me some. So we got to get that. 10. Matt, is that an hourly thing? I think you have a problem, mate. If that's, you smoke that in a day, you got a problem. Oh, that's your job. Shit. I'm just saying, I don't condone these things enough. I'm just saying. I only condone getting that money, getting that paper. Sounds like now, but now I'm just saying. Yeah. Dennis said you're his best student. I'm his best student. Alright, let me slap this guy. Let me see what this man's saying. Man's acting big. I ain't there. Man's acting big. I. Man thinks he's a cool kid. I see you guys. Nah, man's acting up. Well, I'll fight you. I'll fight a freaking gorilla. I don't care. I'll whoop a gorilla's ass. You think a gorilla's gonna got something on me? I'm telling you. Also, this is why I said don't sell right away. Look at that stop loss. It's already hit it. Gem hunters ain't selling. Yeah, weakling looking at. I see how it is. Don said my stop loss is too small. Let me see Don. Let me just see Don. I'll whip his midget ass. Man's like 5'2", 5'3", talking shit. I'll whoop his ass. Look at Don. Have you seen him? Oh, let me find him. Man thinks this kid. Imagine this kid's teaching you lads. Y'all suck. Let me find that. Nav, can you send me that picture of that Don? That picture of the, like, you know which one I'm talking about. Wait, let me find it. Nav, can you send that picture to me? You have it. Don MM is 48. Aww. That's generous of him. Nav, can you send me that picture of Dawn? That one that with that massive hair. I'm 6'1". Indians are generous. I'm 6'1", you bastards. Which picture? No, the one with the long hair. I think it's you or Circle. The one that Don looks like a mongoloid. He looks tapped. The one that's tapped. You know what I'm talking about. 5'1". Okay, alright, cool. Yeah, this one. I got it. What? Could not be way too large. What? What's this too big, you batty mans? It's fine. Right. Give me a sec, guys. I'll try to find the picture. Wait. Where is it? Wait, my phone's syncing right now. I'm gonna show it to you guys. So. Yep. Yippee. Oh, I hate when there's no volume. I hate it. It's so boring. It's nothing to do. Bugger. Not here. Wait. This one. Imagine learning from this guy. Like, brother, look at him. Look at that. Look at our face, though. Ah, cool. Man, bro, I'm telling you, something was wrong that day. I'm gonna make a thumbnail, bro. Send your pic. Yeah, no, Laura. Look at him. Look at that. Look at that shit. Look at that hero. Guys, alright, so let's do a trade analysis. So we have a box. Price has been ranging up and down. Once price breaks, we may have an entry or sells below. Sells below. Alright. I mean, look at this. Look at that. Look at the size of the hair. Look at the size of the face. It's not proportional. Yeah, bro, I'm telling you. Look at the size. Look at this. Let's do some analysis on his head. Look at in diagonal lines, right? It's not proportional. Like it's not look at the hair though. It's not proportional. Like it doesn't add up. This is mad. Like look. The first off, man's hairline is receding for sure. For sure, man's hairline is receding. Like it starts. Wait. Forehead starts here. Hairline is here. So like it's this long. Like distance. Let's do Pythagoras theorem. Bro, no, he's gonna ban me. I'm banned. Oh shit. Wait. Yeah, there's nothing to do. Let's just do some analysis on downside. Alright. So we have a box here. Alright, we have a 90-degree angle here. 90, alright. So what do you think this is? I'm expecting this at least to be 1 foot. So 1 foot long. Wait, move this down. 1 foot. And this one is somewhere around 0.5. Yeah, somewhere around 0.5, 0.6. Because I'm just saying this is quite long. And yeah, we have fake outs everywhere. I'm telling you. No, that's why we're doing analysis on Don's head. So we have this. YouTube won't let me say it, but good. Oh, I'm getting banned. And what do we have here? So since we have this triangle, let me bring my calculator. I can't find my calculator. We find the angle, and then we can get this. So this is like a quite a nice triangle. The problem with this is this. You can see the head is much bigger. Like the hair is much bigger than the head. The proportionality is not right. Look at this. So let's just trace over this. Like, come on, look. It doesn't add up. It doesn't add up. Like this is too big. And then look at the hair. Oh shit! I can go back. See, it's just this is massive. Like, look, this is big. Look at the size of this thing. Let me mark it out. Look. Right, this is like, bro, like, come on, like, I'm not like a scientist or all, but this is something wrong with this. I'm not Indian, alright, come, look at the size of that. Yeah, something is wrong with this kid. And you guys are taking signals from him. Oh my god, I feel bad. Put a bro, yeah, maybe. The thing is, I can't, can I? Let me see if I can copy this. Oh, I can, yeah, come on. Alright. Well, let's get the fib out. Like this guy is, you're trading with this guy, right? So this is the high. We have the high. We have our low. Like look at the massive thing, bro. This is massive. Let me make it smaller because it's taking my whole screen, but I have to. No. So we have like our rejection. Sorry, about our rejection, we have a buy around this level. So wait, we buy here. Right? Is that how fibs work? I forgot. I'm snitching. Screen record clip. Look at that. We have that re-entries that shows like peak highs, and these are the levels. So the nose alone is the whole range. This is 10 pip range. The nose is 10 pips. The forehead is about 20 pips. This is a whole CPI. Like look at the sizes of this. Look at that. From now on, we'll have the dawn signal. It's called, we measure levels based on dawn's head. Which stream can you get information about CPI and making fun of someone? Like, there's no other stream like this. Man's gonna ban me. Oh, this is big. I'm getting banned. This keeps rejecting here, which is fair, but like this is still shit. Yeah. Does anyone have any trade ideas for me or something? I mean, let's get back to trading, but there's nothing to trade. But you know, if you have anything GBP USD, I know some people trade this. I said if we break 1255, wait, was it? Yeah, I think so. No, 1244 500, we're gonna come down. We need that price to break below. Yeah, and USD is looking to get stronger with pound getting weaker. So you can have that re-entry from here. So yeah, wait for since price keeps rejecting this level, it's quite good. And once we break this level, you can have better sells at this area. So sells below here with a retest. If you get a retest, that will be good. But this is the high risk, high reward. This is a safe sells. Watch out for your entries, and you may have a proper entry. And you can keep this running for what? And since with CPI coming out bad, you could see what they're expecting, like much better than expected, and inflation being high and Powell going to increase rates. We could see price on the GU coming down to 1.23, 1.24s, 1.235s or something like that. Yeah. Okay, now let's go back to GJ. Yeah. There's nothing to do in GJ for now. Nothing on the GJ or still. Speed, bro. Drawdown. We're doing trade analysis on Don's head. Look, we're doing trade analysis on this. See, the forehead is this. Like, the forehead is big. The face is here, but look at that hair. Look at that massive thing. See, bro, let me draw a bird. Let me see if I can draw a bird. Look at all the birds. Wait, shit. Look at that. They're all living together. Family. Massive. This is CPI. Okay, let me do analysis. Alright. CPI. Ranging markets. Oh no, order block. Breakout. See, so we can actually analyze trade ideas. So what, this is gold, imagine, right? This is gold 1916, it's like 1910s, right? This is 1925 and this is 1900. Let's mark it out. 1900, 1912, yeah, and 1925. Yeah, okay. We can see price. Well, what am I watching? At ICT tattoo. Oh yeah, I forgot. Shit. No, ICT is here. Let me make it different color. Shit. I forgot about the ICT. Sorry. Okay, and no regret. Oh yeah, shit. Let me remember. I forgot. Hey, no, don't do. And then we can see for today, this is what I'm expecting. The price to go up, down, go up. We do a retest, entries to come down, right? Or straight away sells, which is below this area. So below 1912, we can have that nice juicy sells like down to here. See, this is nice analysis. But what do you guys think? What do you think? This is nice analysis, right? What the fuck is this stream turned into? Alright. Yeah, there's nothing to trade. Oh shit. Yeah. The good thing is this 5 minute the way it closed. Let's see how this next candle closes. I will see is the new market. I'm already in sale. Oh shit, you're on sales. Win a trade, I slept off. Nah, man, with no trades. We tried to take sells. It moved to our area, but the problem was the volume was ranging. I closed out my trade at break even. It's really dependent on what mood he's in. Oh, you people. Yeah. Gold looks I will be bullish. Brother, please don't trade gold. We have CPI. Look. Very, very important. Don't trade this. Don't trade. Don't trade. We have CPI. Don't trade. You may win like small, but it's like you're risking it for no reason. Look what we have. Look what we have tomorrow. This two, and this one. This is not that okay, but like still, these are also important. Look at these three. Wait for these to come out. Do not trade news. Do not trade before news. And this is what we have. These news will set up for this. It will set up for this. I'm legit expecting something like a 5.75. There's no way CPI is down. It's just not gonna happen. CPI has to go up, and this is what Powell is going to do. If not this month, probably next month. But yeah, this is minimum a 5.75. That's what I'm thinking. Opened up a live account to try a new strat 2 weeks ago. So far 500 profits, and it came back all the way to how much it started with. Amazing. It's just called being a dumbass, being greedy. Stop being greedy, mate. Being greedy, yeah, exactly. Did you lose your account or no? You still have it, right? Alright guys, I'm 4, I'm gonna leave. It was education though, so I see how it can push. Yeah, okay, fair. But still, being greedy is dumb. Never be greedy, because what's the point of greed? But guys, I told you go to read this, please. Please actually read this. Like seriously, it's a hard book, but please read this. This talks about how people are. German philosopher. It was published in 4 volumes. Between this, the Program normally historic Zarathustra. Ein Buch für alle und keinen. Yeah. Also Sprache Zarathustra. Yeah. Ein Buch für alle. Yeah, this is yeah, read this book. Seriously, read this book. It's amazing. Yeah, that's okay. The good thing is on GJ is the fact that this it's just doing the retest and still close below this area. We may get that sells below here. We may still get that sells here. We may get these. We may still have a chance for this. Yeah. We may have the sells coming down to this area too. Let's see. It's 4 right now. The way the bullish candles are going, it keeps getting cancelled out, and the bearish candles are getting quite strong. So we read it in German? No, read it in English. I don't think you can understand German. And you don't know, you don't understand German, do you? You understand German. If you do, read German, obviously. Alle und keinen. And Schmitzler. What? Schmeitzner. This is him. Von allem Gericht schreiben, liebe nur das, was einem mit seinem Blöte schreibt. Schreibe mit Blut. Yeah, read this. Read it in English. The book is actually sick. You can buy it on Amazon. I didn't have to learn. Oh yeah, you told me. Yeah. I learned the bare minimum. What the fuck is this hit? Oh no, this is the book that was in German. I was just reading it. I speak Deutsch, my friend. Scheiße. Arschloch. If you see any German guy, just say, yeah, what the hell? Every time you see a German guy, just say, Arschloch. Nice word. Ich spreche Deutsch. Sprachen Deutsch. Spreche Deutsch. It's not with the N. You don't need the N. Ich spreche Deutsch. Ich spreche Deutsch. This is what you have to say. Spreche, I speak. Bro, I have actual, like, I went to a clinic and the doctor said I need to go to a psychiatrist. Not because I'm insane, but because what's this thing called? Because I have ADHD and I drink a lot of coffee. I don't think they add up well. Bro, what did you write? No, I have no idea what that word means. That's not German. Schizophrenia, of course. You're insane. Why? We're crazy to trade gold. Exactly. I used to trade gold. I used to trade US30, no stop loss at 930. I'm telling you, a bit different, bro. And anyways, you go back to my first in the stream this early in the morning and Monday. I literally called this out. You bastards better have caught something. No. Last week or this week. I don't know. I don't give a fuck. I told you fuckers to get this trade. I'm 100% sure I called this out. And I said sells below on 4,500. If you guys didn't catch it, it's your fault. You all suck ass. Telling me. We're crazy, we're insane. Exactly. Oh, bro, I'm already there. I lived in it. I'm living in it. $300 exactly. I told you guys. I actually told you about US30 sells. I literally called USD. This is nice. I literally called US30 sells from here. Like I literally said this is going to do this, and we may have a retest. This is the previous week. I said we're gonna do this and come down, and it also came down. Literally, the easiest trade of your life. Like you could have easily called this. Like what? 6% if you're risking 1%. Speed. Nobody asked you anything. You're a trader. Asks if I know. If someone asks if I know German, Farza, can you for once? Oh shit, Farza, he's telling you your shit. Oh, guys, this is boring. I hate days like this. It's just bullshit. If price flips, you can have this entry. Oh my god. We may have this entry. That's what I'm looking for right now. But this is like a risky trade for you guys. We speaking risk numbers. This is very risky for you people. We may get the entry, but we may also not get the entry. I'm already in. Why are you in? Why are you in? You imbecile. Why are you in? Wait for the confirmation. If this candle closes below, we may have the entries. Then they make sense. Now no make sense. Exactly, he's an imbecile. Some people say imbecile. I have no idea why. I touched Jones. Oh shit, you got our entry. What? Yeah, this is what I tried to translate. It's not even English. Let me find out. Orlando. No confirmation. Exactly, no confirmation. Imbecile. Stupid. Straight retard. Now it makes kind of sense. Like now it makes sense. If it flips, it makes sense. Other than that, you trade like an idiot. Come on, boys. Mm-hmm. 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 Like now it flips. This entry is actually not bad, to be honest. Yeah, 12, 13 pip SO. This would be a nice entry. Wait a second. Oh shit, my RAM is telling me it's full. Okay. Yeah. This is MMS a plane. Don't do it, it's haram. What's haram, mate? Retard, oh yeah. No, retard means activate the... So planes have like engine brake. Engine brake is called retard. What does retard mean in terms of like for engines? It's the retardation to stall. Engine retard. Look, engine retarder. But some people are actually retarded. See, it has some people have this in their brain, so they're stupid. Once this closes below, I may sell. Yeah, now this is looking good. Yep. Yippee. Yeah, this is gonna keep going down from now on. Or hopefully it doesn't reject. Let's see where this closes. I'm waiting, man. I'm waiting for this candle closes. See, this rejection is quite nice. If this candle in 2 minutes, in a minute, it could start coming down. Considering the fact that the 15-minute flipped, it didn't break the highs. The hourly is also flipping. It just opened up. It closed below this zone. The 30-minute is also breaking below the zone, so sells below this area is perfect. Yeah, yeah, that's really nice. Wait for this 5-minute. Wait for this 5-minute. This is what I'm looking for. Straight meltdown, right? If you get this entry, would be even better. Yes, sir. So I don't say where to enter. So you guys have to have your brain a little bit brain of capacity to enter, okay? I don't give signals. I use some parts of the brain that you have. I don't know, some of you probably don't, but yeah. This is fine. We needed some sort of rejection to here, and then once price turns bearish, you can enter. If not, well, it's coming down. I don't know. I wanted that bullish candle to come to this zone. We also have CPI, so don't worry. I wanted this. Oh, I'm getting it. Nice. Gotta go later. Alright, guys, I'm gonna have my like a sell stop or market execute here, okay? This is what I'm looking for. So 3, 2, 1, I'm deleting. So now you have to figure out where the entry is. Good luck. Wait, you sell stop are real or not? What? What do you mean sell stops are real or not? Huh? How can they be fake? I don't know how does that, how's the possibilities for sell stops to be fake? No, I wasn't joking. I didn't sell stop. I said market execute, or you want to do sell stops. I market execute. I don't do sell stops. I do market execution based on these type of trades. Like for example, I said I wanted this. I do market execute and I enter. That's literally it. I don't do sell stops. Man called his shit hump day. What does that mean? What's camel humpback? Farza, I don't get what you mean. Oh, okay, I get. I know what that means. I get it, but like, what in what terms? Like for the trades? Yeah, I know. But like, you mean talking about trades or like what? I'm waiting for this, for the candle to come close below this area. It didn't. So once it does, I'm gonna enter. Okay, where yours yours? If I enter, if I enter, right? If I enter, my stop loss will be here. 11, 12 pips. Counting over spread, it will be 11, 12 pips. I want price to close below here. Okay, I want price to come close below this zone. Make sense? Okay, now I will delete. I'm trying to make you guys get your own entries. Don't wait for people to tell you to enter. Well, I play Trackmania on PlayStation, and on the PC it's a bit different. On PlayStation I have like I'm in the top like 200 for one of the tracks. No, top 12 or something like that. It's insane. If you guys can beat my F1 Monaco thing, I'll do my face. I'll do a face review. F1 Monaco 2023 lap record. If you can beat my record, I'll do a face review. Mine is on not 2023. I have on 2021. Wait, let me show you what I can't. I will not tell you which one is mine, but I'll give you a range. It's in the top 20s. I can't show. It's top 20s if I'm right. I'm not sure. What is this? I don't know. It's in the top 20s. It's in 109s. Very supply, amazing. You see this candle closed below here, but the wick is the wick is a bit weak. The 15 is also quite weak, still closed below. We may have that rejection after all, but we have to wait. We have to wait. I'll wait here for 5 more minutes and see what happens, because I'm not gonna enter anything if it doesn't come. Is your country or I'm global, bro? I'm not. I'm talking about global. Now maybe it's been beaten, but I was in the top 20s in this F1 lap, Formula 1 from Monaco. I was playing with the Mercedes. I used to have a YouTube channel on what's this thing called? For Battlefield 4. I used to do montages and shit. See, this is why you wait. This is why you wait. This is why you wait. Trackmania. Oh, top 20 global. I think so. It was global, yeah. Alright, go boys. This is chalked. I may get an entry later on, but for now, nothing. I'm a dip, yeah. Bye bye, guys. Watch the stream again at the beginning to understand the CPI. And that's about it. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. I'll be streaming tomorrow. And yeah. Bye bye. See you lads tomorrow. Don't overtrade. There's no reason. Wait for news. Okay. See ya. See ya lads. Like and sub.